Imagine for a moment that the rules of the action camera world you've come to rely on are about to shatter. Picture this. GoPro, the undisputed champ, suddenly facing a storm they might not weather. And now, envision DJI unleashing a game-changer so seismic it redraws the entire battlefield. The buzz has been building in those late-night Reddit threads and tech whispers. But let's cut through the haze. Today, we're pulling back the curtain with rock-solid intel straight from the source. This is the DJI Osmo Action 6, and the revelations we're unpacking, they're set to redefine what epic footage even means. Hang tight. Every twist in this tale is worth your undivided attention. Hey, if you're just tuning in, pull up a chair. This channel's all about chasing the stories that matter, peeling back layers of headlines miss. What's your take on DJI shaking things up like this? Hit the comments and let me know what you want to see in their next big swing. To paint the picture right, let's zoom out to the chaos unfolding in the action cam arena. It's a brutal showdown, pure and simple. On one side, GoPro's Hero 12 reigns as the grizzled veteran, battle-tested and beloved. Over here, Insta360's Ace Pro sneaks in with its clever modular tricks, turning heads like a street magician. And holding court in the middle, DJI's Osmo Action 4, which danced so tantalizingly close to flawless it left us all a little breathless. That generous 1/1.3-inch sensor delivered colors that popped like fireworks, low-light magic that turned twilight adventures into poetry. And the D-Log M profile? A colorist secret weapon, unlocking edits that sang. Don't get me started on those magnetic mounts. Smooth, secure, and so intuitively clever you wonder why the whole industry hasn't caught up. Yet, perfection's a slippery slope. Those brutal midday suns still push the dynamic range to its limits, clipping highlights like a bad haircut. And while Rocksteady 3.0 stabilized like a pro, GoPro's Hypersmooth edged it out with that whisper of extra finesse. We all sense DJI wouldn't let the grass grow under their feet. They're the kind of innovators who thrive in the lab's glow, scheming their next masterstroke. Whispers pointed to an Action 5, a logical step forward, but our deep dive sources flipped the script. DJI is vaulting right over it, channeling Samsung's bold playbook by leaping straight to the Osmo Action 6. The why? A technological chasm so vast, it demanded a fresh chapter in their saga. And trust me, the proof isn't some fleeting tweet. It's etched in supply chain secrets, from cryptic shipping logs to pilfered C80 blueprints. Even a flurry of cease and desist fireworks from DJI's lawyers scrambling to seal the cracks. Kicking off the fireworks, let's talk the crown jewel that's had dreamers pacing for years. A genuine 1-inch sensor in an action cam that's not just elite, but accessible. Sure, Insta360's Ace Pro flaunts one, handcrafted with Leica's touch in turning heads. But DJI's brewing something uniquely their own. Leak numero uno drops the mic. A custom DJI-engineered 1-inch CMOS sensor. No compromises, no half measures. This isn't a tweak on the 1/1.3-inch. It's a full symphony, a sensor that doesn't just perform. It transforms. For creators like you, chasing that golden hour surf break or a foggy dawn hike, it spells low-light wizardry that blurs the line with your full-frame mirrorless setup. Clean, noise-free shots at ISOs that once meant grainy regrets, whether you're framing a crackling campfire under stars, navigating neon-lit alleys at dusk, or plunging into shadowy dives with crystal-clear depth. But the real poetry? Dynamic range that finally tames the tyrants of exposure. Remember that heart-pounding ski descent, where blinding snowfields clash with piercing azure skies, forcing your current rig to pick sides, overexposed whites or muddled blues. Not anymore. This beast captures the full spectrum, letting every detail breathe in harmony. Of course, a sensor this hungry for light needs a brain to match, and that's where Leak 2 ignites the afterburners. 6K video at a buttery 60 frames per second. Yeah, you heard that. 6K/60p, a resolution leap that leaves GoPro's solid 5.3K in the rear view. It's not merely about flexing on a hypothetical 6K screen, though hey, future-proofing never hurts. It's the editing superpower it unlocks. Strap this to your helmet for a sweeping vista of canyon trails. Only to spot the money shot lurking off-frame in post? Crop aggressively, reframe with digital sleight of hand, and emerge with razor-sharp 4K that fools the eye. Birth multiple angles from one raw clip, weave and post-production pans that feel organic. It's the kind of latitude that turns good footage into cinematic gold. And for those pulse-quickening moments, brace yourself. Whispers confirmed 4K at 240 frames per second, a slow-motion sorcery that's straight up otherworldly. We're talking slowdown, so granular you trace the arc of a raindrop mid-splash or the flutter of a falcon's dive in exquisite detail. Current champs cap at 4K/120. Decent for a quadruple slow-mo on 30p timelines, but 240 frames per second? That's octuple indulgence, etching every heartbeat of barreling wave ride or a parkour flip into 4K immortality. The stories you could tell, frame by frozen frame. I can already hear the skeptics. A 1-inch powerhouse churning 6K/60 or 4K/240. That's a recipe for Meltdown City. Heats the silent saboteur in every action cam's origin story. GoPro Hero 10 learned it the hard way, and even the Action 4 and Hero 12 whisper warnings if you push too long. But here's a genius stroke, the unsung hero of the saga. Leak 3, codenamed Project Cyclone for reasons that soon click. DJI is not patching with basic sinks. They've embedded a patented vapor chamber cooling rig, the kind that chills high-stakes gaming rigs and flagship phones. It's a thermal wizard, evaporating heat like morning mist, ensuring those overheat shutdown gremlins fade to myth. Push it through a full-day dirt bike rally in 6K/60, and it stays cool as a cucumber. No throttling, no interruptions, just relentless capture. This isn't flash. It's the quiet backbone, the unsung enabler that lets the spectacle shine without a stutter. With the hardware humming like a well-oiled machine, let's lean into the magic that makes footage sing. Leak 4, where DJI slips an AI co-pilot into processor's heart. Forget reactive Euro tweaks. This is foresight in silicon, a dedicated chip that sifts accelerometer whispers and Euro pulses to guess your next twist before it unfolds. Trained on endless reels of raw adventure. Think gnarled MTB drops or silky surf carves. It reads the terrain like an old trail guide, preempting bounces and banks for stabilization that's eerily prescient. Say goodbye to those jarring warp artifacts or horizon wobbles. Even mid-loop-to-loop, it locks the world steady as a tripod. Rumor has it the upgraded Horizon Lock rivals a pro gimbal, delivering glass-smooth pans that mesmerize. And the cherry? AI-driven subject chase, drone-style smarts in pocket form. Tap your Buddy Summit Scramble or Pup Sandy Sprint, and it shadows them relentlessly, tweaking focus and framing with subtle digital reach. It's your invisible director, turning solo runs into polished narratives. We stack the specs sky high, but let's ground in the grind. Battery drain, the eternal thorn that yanks you from flow. No point in 8K dreams if you're sidelined every 20 minutes recharging. DJI's Enduro packs lifted the Action 4 to respectable endurance, especially against winter's bite, but the Action 6? It's rewriting the endurance playbook. Leak 5 seals the deal with a graphene-laced hypercore battery. Light as a feather, conductive like lightning, and a heat whisper that laughs at lithium's limits. Real-world ripple, blazing charges. 0 to 80% in a scant 15 minutes, turning a mid-mountain pit stop into instant resurrection. Battery flat mid-powder day, duck into the hut for a quick brew. Emerge to hours of prime power. And under fire, it thrives in minus 20 degrees Celsius chills without flinching, while the graphene's efficiency feeds the beast a steady current. No voltage dips. Net result: a claimed 30% marathon in 4K/120 over the Action 4, even with these voracious new tricks in play. It's the difference between chasing sunsets and nursing outlets. Thread it all together, and what emerges isn't evolution, it's revolution. A 1-inch sensor conjuring low-light symphonies and dynamic ballets. 6K/60 and 4K/240 etching details in dreams and ultra-fine strokes. Vapor-chilled endurance to unleash it all. Proactive AI that anticipates your wildest rides. And a graphene heart that recharges faster than you can say one more take. This is an incremental Action 5 or a polished Action 4. It's the Osmo Action 6, a compact Titan forged to conquer. DJI's channeling their drone dynasty, gimbal genius, and relentless R&D into this unbreakable vault, silencing every Action 4 gripe and smirking at Insta360's flair. GoPro? They're not just outpaced. They're eclipsed, left chasing shadows in the dust. The mysteries lingering? Price tag and timeline, the final veils. This arsenal won't whisper. Action 4 hit $399. Ace Pro Sensor Play $449. I'd wager $499 as the floor, $549 feeling spot on for the firepower. Worth it? If these whispers hold, absolutely. It's an investment in stories untold. On the horizon, the supply echoes are swelling, a classic prelude to reveal. We're betting DJI times to eclipse GoPro's autumn glow-up. Announcement whispers in late August or early September, shelves stocked soon after. This is the spark, the shift we've hungered for, the camera poised to capture the impossible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.